What's going on, Street Trip Drift Squad? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's a lovely, beautiful, not morning this time, evening, guys. And we're about to get on the smooth road. You know what that means? Gotta get that for you. Ooh. Yes, sir. Nice little pull there for you guys. Get that blood pumping. We're doing something different tonight. About to head out to WRAPTORS Orlando, guys. They are having their pretty much grand opening over there, and it's going to be called Exotics at Dusk. So we're about to meet up with some of the Drip Squad. We got some of the guys lined up, ready to go, ready for the action today. It's going to be something a little different, give you a little bit of some night vibes. Hopefully we can see some flames. I don't know what kind of cars are going to be there or who's showing up. So that's the exciting part about it. But anyway, your boy got to come out and support and show some love, and we're gonna do something different and bring you guys along. So I hope you guys are ready for the ride, so stick around and stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. Speaking of you don't want to miss, guys, next week, November 8th, is going down. Cars, coffee, and golf. Bring your crew, bring the fam, whatever you want to show off, bring it. If you want to show out, let's go. You don't want to miss it. Pop Stroke over at Winter Garden. It's gonna be live. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be a really, really nice event, especially for this one. We've been doing it so far, and we've been blessed that steadily it's been growing, and that's what I like to see, progress all the time. So that's gonna be pretty fun, just to see what rolls up and who actually shows up and all that goodness that you get from the Cars and Coffee. But with this one, your boy's gonna be hosting. Yes, sir. Street Drip on the map. Long time coming, and we got the Drip Squad gonna be out there supporting as well. So bring your friends, bring your family. There's food, there's bathrooms, you got free coffee, you name it. You know, everything's right there, so you ain't gotta worry. You don't have to go too far for whatever you want, because we're bringing it to you guys. Yes, sir. Trust and believe. You don't want to miss this one. It's gonna be really nice. It's not gonna be insanely hot, or hopefully no rain. It doesn't look like it, but we should have no rain. But it should be nice and cool, ready to go, ready to rock. Your turbo's gonna love it, and if you don't have turbos, get some, because with this weather, man, ooh, get you in trouble with this. So y'all stick around and stay tuned, guys.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Here we go, guys. We made it. We're at the front of the shop. The crew's already lined up here. And we got some major beasts that are pulling up too. Ooh, real clean right here. Yes, sir. Look at the crew that pulled in. Sheesh. The whole lineup squad rolling super deep. Real clean too. Damn, we got to come out to the entrance to get all of them. Look at that. Sheesh. Massive lineup. Big show out over here. Yes, sir. Them boys didn't come out to play. Check it out, guys. We got the Maybach music with the drop. Damn, that thing looks gangster. Serious cars out here, guys. ZL1. Definitely got the Hennessy tune. We got another ZL1 right here in the peach color. Crazy C8 with the carbon fiber. Ooh, look at the Durango. Yes, sir. With the purple accents. No games, guys. So this is the shop right here. We're about to head in and see what's going on. There's also some cars over in that lot, which we'll go out and we'll get that for you as well. So big vibes out here. Yes, sir. Definitely gonna look nice when the sun goes down. Check it out, guys. Maserati MC20. Ooh, with the blue interior accents. That thing is super clean. We got a crazy GTR right here. Massive wing in the back. This thing sounded nuts coming in. You got carbon on the fender. Ooh. Got some Teslas out here. More cars parked up, guys. We got a mobile barbershop. Come get your lineup. Looking super clean. You got the Charger out here. Tesla still in the works. Big boy on the Hummer out here. Nastiness, guys. So yeah, we're gonna go out front and get you guys the other cars that we missed out on. Go, guys. So the Maserati parked out here, and we got another one next to it. Nasty. And a Beast M2, followed by the X5M. Ooh, So we're gonna head over to the parking lot on this side and get the other baddies that rolled in, because there's a lot more people over here too. Check it out, guys. We got the monsters out here. Whole lineup. Yes, sir. JDM Heaven. Ooh, nice black one right here. Real nice wheels on this one. Super, super clean. And we got the BMW over there as well. So we're about to come down this road. Look at this. Ooh, super clean wheels right there on the gray. Yes, sir. And we got the orange beast. It's real clean right here. Look at that. Why are you posing? What are you posing for? Posing right behind the whip. No games, guys. Big squad that rolled up today for sure. All colors. Ooh, look at this one with the Nismo package. And you got a white one too. Man, everybody's out here. Yes, sir. Huge crew. 20 plus deep. Beast SI right here. And follow it up with the big boss. Nastiness out here, guys. Whole lot of cars that showed up. Really, really nice today. And we got Mr. Joe with the beast getting all eyeballs. Look at this. Sheesh. Craziness. Here we go, guys. We got more lineup coming in. Damn. Very, very surprised. Sheesh. This thing's super tough too. Sounding nice. Wait till you see the other ones coming in. Go, guys. Woo. Baddies. And we got Audi gang. Hold up, I gotta show you guys that. Wait for it. Ooh, super clean. Yes, sir. Audi gang right here. With the crazy intercooler. Damn. No games right there. Here we go. We got more madness. Look at this. Slammed. This thing is crazy. Super clean wheels with the red guts. There we go, guys. Couple more bad boys pulling up. Man. Super clean. Mike, where you at? Ooh.
Let me get you, man.
Man, we got one. We got one for Tito over here too. Damn, you guys are missing out. No, I don't know any of them.
You don't.
Here we go, guys. Outside, we got a vibe out here. Yes, sir. You got your drinks on deck, ready to go. Mobile barber here. Come on now. Get that fade, get the hair right, shave right. Sheesh. Damn. Kevin, you straight, man.
I'm chilling, you know, we drinking, we outside.
Hey.
We having a good time.
Ready to go.
I might end up getting a cut, you know what I mean?
Right? You never know. And look, he got you, man. And look at the whips that are pulling up. Madness over here today, guys. Big, big vibe. We're going to go down and see what else came out.
More than that.
Here we go, guys. Woo, we got Zach out here. VIP parking. Yes, sir. The night is starting to take over. And it's getting crazy out here, guys. We got Z pulled up with the badass G80. Looking nuts. Look at the way that thing's sitting, especially in the light. Woo, crispy. Here we go, guys. Audi gang with the R8. Woo, listen to that thing rumble. Super clean right here. Nasty. There we go, guys. So we got the big boy 8 Series parked up here. Look at the Ghost that just pulled up. Woo, crispy in the white. Nastiness right here, guys. No games. Here we go, guys. We got the big boy G-Wagon boss pulling up. Woo! Craziness right here. Here we go, guys. We got this last minute Porsche that came through. Super clean 911 Carrera. Love that. Popping in this light. Hey, well, there you have it, guys. Great event. Really, really nice. Dope shop. Met a lot of cool people out today. If you guys appreciate the content, hit that subscribe. Smash that like. As always, I'd like to thank you for watching Street Drip. We'll see you on the next one. We're out.